Hello everyone, welcome back to another SQL tutorial. In this lesson, we will talk about the NOT operator. This is used in the where clause to exclude specific records that meet a condition. Let's get started. The NOT operator is used to reverse a condition. If the condition is true, NOT will make it false, and if it's false, NOT will make it true. It helps exclude specific data from the results. Select column 1, column 2 from table name where not condition. Demonstration using the Northwind database. Select customer name, country from customers where not country, Germany. This will return all customers who are not from Germany. Select product name, price from products where not price 100. This will show products where the price is 100 or less. The NOT operator is useful when you need to exclude specific records from your results. In the next lesson, we will learn about the insert into statement, which is used to add new data to a table. See you there.